Every morning is a battleground, but you don't need 100 habits. You need a handful that anchor you. Here's one. Wake up. Before the noise, before the pull of the world. Sit in silence.
Ask, what do I want my energy to serve today?
Write it down. Then guard it like your life depends on it. Because it does. Do 10 push-ups instead of scrolling. Read one page instead of watching. Say no more than you say yes. You are not a slave to your impulses. You are their commander. It starts showing up in your life. You listen better. You create more.
Your words carry weight.
People notice because you're no longer leaking energy. You're channeling it.